We talk football SA. Betway Premiership, FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0.
0.
Put
Yes.
your name and your comments.
Angibafana lo from Chamdo Brewery. Represent Chamdo Brewery si happy. Yonke into right asinayo inkinga.
Chamdo Brewery.
Da cruise.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Cruiser kahle.
Cruise kahle.
Ubani man of the match?
Man of the match nganika umthetho Ox.
Yeah.
Bekamaka right lapha esiswini ethi ngoba vele ushama back passes too much mara hayi.
Kodwa angithi wona akhanda ama build up.
Yeah, akhanda ama build up mara usishaya ngesikhathi esingesikhathi. We need to attack.
Yeah.
By the time we are attacking yena uye move.
Yeah.
We losing tempo.
Ibackline yakho ujabule ngayo.
Backline ngijabulile Miguel nethi ujabule too much.
Yeah.
Too excited.
Yes.
Yeah.
I-performance kaIgodaro ibone kanjani?
Performance kaIgodaro it's very good, just that akekho umuntu assist because you hold them up ball, no one is
akekho umuntu ozo collect.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe mangadlala noba noDuba.
Yeah, maybe no Duba.
Yeah.
Mara sengakamboni bengingathanda ukubona uSilva nayo uGodaro.
Yes.
Dlala u2 phambili.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, umfundo vela kazimbone kanjani?
Mfundo Vilakazi ukame ufike right, he came give us a good momentum.
Yes.
Got the goal because of the second goal because of Yen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hayi, siyabonga futhi.
Siyabonga.
We talk football SA. Remember to subscribe.